How to unbox the Slice and Fun? Use a pair of scissors to cut one corner of the blister pack. Start cutting the packaging at the rim, avoid cutting the cardboard. Cut 3 sides. Remove Slice and Fun from the packaging. Remove the clear covers from the force links. How to assemble the suction cups to your Slice and Fun? Open the cardboard box for the tray. Remove the bag with the suction cups. Remove all suction cups. You only need 4. There is 1 extra set. Save the extra set in a safe place. Remove the 2 washers from each of the 4 suction cups. Attach the bottom washer to all suction cups. Feed the suction cup and bottom washer assembly into the base. It might take a little bit of force to push it into the hole. You might hear a click sound once the suction cup is assembled into the hole. Take the top washer and screw it on. Repeat 3 more times. How does my Slice and Fun go back together? Put everything back together like so. Now you are ready to use your Slice and Fun. How do I change cutting boards? Move the forced links out of the way. Remove the plastic cutting board. Put in the Acacia wood cutting board. How do I assemble the ingredient tray to the Slice and Fun? Remove ingredient tray from the bag. Assemble it like so. How to use the crinkle cutter. Hold food in the force links. Hold crinkle cutter like so. The crinkle cutter is designed with a tall blade to clear the taller vegetables. You can use it for cutting eggplant slices for eggplant parmesan.